I will go in the direction of the curl pattern when I'm applying, but when I'm finished, when I've completed my application, I'll go back and I'll go the opposite direction so that I can make sure I got every strand and no strand gets left behind. Since the front of her curls go forward and the back goes back and the sides go down, I always apply in the direction and then I go back just to make sure that there are no spotting. Even though it can be this short, I've seen it before where I've done it and I've rinsed it out, and right here around the earlobe it'll be black, or right in the middle it'll be a small little spot. So I started going backwards against the curl pattern so that I can make sure that I covered all of the spotting.